you right back about your proposal.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir, if you pull this off...
Terry, you don't think I know what's at stake? That was timely. Hello, this is Mike.
The cleaning company didn't replace my garbage bag.
Can you do it, Susie?
I already threw like a half-empty cup of coffee in here, so...
Okay. I can do this. This is Mike.
You wanted me to scan, got stuck to gum under my desk.
Get Gary another memo.
Yep.
After we handle this. Mike here.
Hey, Mike.
Hey, John's in the women's bathroom right now.
Why?
I don't know why. But I wouldn't want to go in there either. I mean, it smells like it did on Monday.
Stop calling me! I don't care who you are. I don't care what your problem is. I don't care!
Well, I'm sorry to hear that, Mike.
Oh, Mrs. Jenkins.
Listen, good proposal, but I don't think it's in our best interest to move forward.
No.
Have a nice day.
Don't let an office mess spill into your business. Enter your information below and get your free copy of 10 Bad Ideas for Hiring Your Next Cleaning Company.